In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Chime Bank to Cash App, updated for 2025. If you're looking to make this connection and streamline your financial transactions, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, let's open up your Cash App. Once you've launched the application, head straight to the Profile section. In this part of the app, you'll find options related to your account preferences and settings. Look for the choice that says link a bank or link a debit card. This is your gateway to connecting your Chime account to Cash App and allowing smooth transactions between the two. When prompted, you will need to enter your Chime debit card details. This includes your card number, the expiration date, and the CVV, the three-digit number located on the back of your card. Ensuring this information is correct is crucial. Double check those numbers to avoid any potential errors. After entering your card details, Cash App may request verification of your account. This is a standard security measure to confirm your identity. You might receive a code via text message or email that you'll need to input to complete the verification process. Keep an eye on your messages for this step. Now, let's address some common issues you might encounter and their solutions. If you happen to see a transfer failed message, don't panic. This could arise for several reasons. It's essential to check if Chime is notifying you about a declined transaction. If Chime sends you such a message, it's best to contact their support team for guidance. Occasionally, the issue might originate from the Cash App's end. In these instances, patience is key, as technical difficulties can occur with any application. Another problem users report is that Cash App sometimes categorizes Chime cards as prepaid, which can lead to complications in functionality. There's a workaround you might consider if complications persist, linking your Chime card to other services like Venmo or PayPal and then transferring funds to Cash App from there. If you're facing difficulties linking your Chime account, ensure all your personal information is accurate and up to date. Any mismatch in details can thwart your attempts to connect these accounts. Lastly, here are some additional tips for a smoother experience. Chime and Cash App both offer virtual cards. These can be beneficial for instant transfers, providing an alternative means to manage your transactions. Also, make sure that your Chime account settings allow transactions with external services. It's a good practice to review your sliders under the settings section in the Chime app. By following these steps and bearing in mind some of these handy tips, you'll be well equipped to link your Chime Bank account to Cash App effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other guides for more helpful tips.